Hello everyone and welcome back to the London English Studio. Today we are diving into some useful phrasal verbs with the word put. These verbs can change their meaning depending on the context. So let's break them down and look at some examples. So number first is put something on. To dress or switch something on. For example, I always put on my jacket before going outside. So put on. Another example is, could you put on the lights please? Put on also means pretend. So to pretend or make out that something is true. For example, she's just putting on that she's confident. She's actually very nervous. Put something across. It means to convey an idea or make something understood. For example, he put forward a brilliant idea during the meeting. Another phrasal verb is put something down. Put something down means to place on a surface or write something down or criticize. For example, please put the book down on the table, or I'll put down your number. Another example is he's always putting his colleagues down. Put something away or put someone away. It means to tidy up or to imprison someone. For example, after playing, make sure to put your toys away. Another example is the criminal was put away for 10 years. Another phrasal verb is put someone up or put something up. It means to accommodate someone or to assemble something. For example, can you put me up for the night? Another example could be we need to put the tent up before it gets dark. Put something off. What? Put something off. So put off means to postpone, distract or turn something off. For example, let's put off the meeting until tomorrow. Another example could be his attitude really put me off. Another is put something out or put someone out. What? Put something out or put someone out. It means to extinguish a fire or turn off a light, publish or inconvenience someone. For example, please put out the candles before you leave. Another example could be the company is putting out a new product next month. Another example could be sorry to put you out, but can you help me with this? Another phrasal verb with put is put someone through. What? Put someone through. It means to connect someone on a call. For example, can you put me through to the manager, please? Another phrasal verb is put up with someone. What? Put up with someone. So it means to tolerate someone. For example, she has to put up with his bad habits every day. Put something by or put something aside. It means to save money or resources for the future. For example, I'm putting money aside for a new car. Put someone down for something means to write someone's name on a list for something. For example, I'll put you down for 2 tickets. Another phrasal verb is put something down to something. What? Put something down to something means to explain cause of something. For example, I put his bad mood down to stress. Put something behind someone. It means to let go of painful memories. For example, it's time to put the past behind you and move on. Another phrasal verb is put something together. So, means to assemble something. For example, we need to put the furniture together after buying it. Another is put someone down as something. It means to consider someone to be a certain type of person. For example, I had him down as a quiet person, but he's actually very outgoing. The last one is put someone up to something. What? Put someone up to something. It means to provoke someone to do something naughty. For example, he was put up to the prank by his friends. So that's all for today's lesson on phrasal verbs with put. Practice these sentences to get more comfortable with them. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more English lessons. Thank you for now. Cheers.